CYCU stock analysis price predictions for Monday next week, 18th of August. Am I buying or not? Which is quick and short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Biggest factor here with CYCU is that this is a bearish market, and all I just saw was bearishness, you know, trimming, freaking melting down. It's not that I have anything like I have anything against CYCU. It's just that the price just keeps giving me lower lows. That's fine. Now at 27 cents, I began being bearish since it was like 76. Right, and it took time. It took a lot of time, a lot of back and forth, but at the time it was like 70 cents 4 months back. So that's where we are. And what I'll do here, just these are the lows, and ultimately here's my supply zone. There's really like nothing else that I'll be doing. I also got about a lot of receipts in the Discord with 3 results. So if you want to stay tuned, get free money making emails and insights, then you can just simply go ahead and click the first link in the description and check out the free sauce. Other than that, everything else is just rather noise. So goodbye and enjoy, and there's really nothing else that I would add. Stay tuned. It's bearish.